Welcome back to part 3 of building the kids' play loft. In this part we are going to make the flooring for the loft. I hope you learned something and enjoy. The tacks in the tack strip should be angled and pointing to the wall when installed. The tack strip may also have an arrow on it, and the arrow points to the wall. The tack strip is placed with the gap that is 2/3 the thickness of your carpet from the edge. In my case, I am going to add a little bit more to compensate for the floor trim that I will install later. A quick and easy way to cut the tack strips is by using some tin snips. If you don't have any, a small handsaw also works great. When laying the carpet pad, the side that has the smooth, shiny coating or matrix on it should be facing up. This allows the carpet to slide across the padding during installation. I got tears around the staples where it curves over the edge, so I taped it for reinforcement. When laying out your carpet, cut it 6 inches longer than your dimensions. You will cut it to the exact fit while it is down. Thanks again for watching. In the next part of this video series, we'll be building the safety net to match the bunk bed and the ladder to get into the loft. Also, you won't want to miss making the ceiling under the loft and the floor trim up top. I have a feeling it's going to look awesome.